But guess where I need to go first? That will be the gas station. What it is, what it do, welcome back to Daily 5280. If you're new here, wait, I can't, you can't see me. Hold on. What it is, what it do, welcome back to Daily 5280. It's your boy Obi. If you're new here, this is my 2015 S7 that I am building. But that's not what the video is about today, so you still can't see me. But anyway, I'm still trying to figure out what tune I'm actually gonna get for 7. I'm leaning towards all 3 of them. I don't know. I need you guys to actually comment down below to let me know which one I should go with. I have an idea as to what I want. I'm not gonna say right now, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, I need to get going because the car meet is actually in Centennial. We're gonna cruise around, but guess where I need to go first? That will be the gas station. That cold start is something else. Okay, all gassed up. It cost me right at $25. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it was like 25 bucks. My UK folks, let me know what that is in pounds or euros. I know it's kind of expensive because you guys charge about a liter, which is crazy. And it's just something about this exhaust that it just makes me fall in love. Listen. Oh, better slow it down, 60 miles an hour. Oops. All right, we just got here. We're right outside of Colorworks Powder Works. Here's some of the lineup. As I state, you got this 1 Series, then you got 7 just sitting so pretty right next to 7 with the same type shoes. We have an all-road, which is so dope. I love these. Has a Euro front plate. I really want one of those. We have Spiffy, my buddy here. Stage 2 S7 wrapped V8 at the Vorsteiner wheels on there. Got a dope little lip right there. Yeah, he is what I aspire to be as far as a tune. Let's go take a look at some of these other cars. Got a Carrera GT. Actually, no, that's a Carrera 4S. All-wheel drive. Love these cars, man. Nothing handled like that. Then you have the German-Japanese car, because you know that's based off the actual Z4 BMW. Hold up. BMW. Super one-upped you with your own shit. We got this sick STI right here. Oh, the neon glow. Dig it. I mean, you got the right-hand drive, Skyline GT, that RB26, man.
See, I was thinking about doing a shifter in mine, and I was going to try to 6-speed swap it.
So we're in a car. I didn't get a chance to actually show all the cars, but we're going to meet at our first stopping point here in Sedalia, which is probably a 15-minute drive. But I got my buddy Spiffy in front of me. I don't know how Stratman does this, drive and actually vlog at the same time, but we're going to meet in Sedalia just to try and give you an understanding of the route. Sedalia down to Monument back all the way up through Parker, back up to Denver. Yeah, so that's going to be the route, and we're just going to stop along the way. I got approached by a buddy of mine that tuned Lucy. They now do Dyno Spectrum, so they're working on Audis, and it's MoFab. So I definitely have history with MoFab. I trust their work. The guys are super cool. They're good. So did I give away that I may be going with Dyno Spectrum? Probably not. I don't know. Yeah, let me shut up. We just made it to the first location, which is the Wide Open Saloon. Look at these dope cars here. As I said earlier, the Carrera 4S. We have a diesel 335D, which is sick. Again, that Skyline. You have a 2.7 swap all, well actually no, 2.7 twin turbo maybe? You see that? That TT right there, that means it's twin turbo. It is twin turbo? Oh, buddy. That all-road, those are still beautiful cars to me. Like, the old school 2004, 2005 all-roads are still beautiful, beautiful cars. We got an S3. We got the Momobile. But you know, they can rock too. They can rock. We have this A7, which is the S7's little brother. Still beautiful. Still beautiful. I love that black. I mean, we got this here. Just, I mean, straight flexing. This thing is beautiful. This thing is the ultimate family mobile. And it doesn't even look like a family mobile, but this thing is absolutely gorgeous. What do you think, folks? Should I try for an FF? I'm just joking. I don't have money for an FF right now. I wish I did, but I don't. We got the old clown shoe. The old, oh my God, these are still beautiful. Beautiful cars. Love these. Yeah, dude. Whoever's clown shoe that is, man. I mean, that's a good look. I love that. All right, we're about to roll out again. I switched over to my GoPro because it's hard to vlog with a camera in your hand, do all this. This is why I love this so much, because you get a chance to actually meet up with other guys that are car enthusiasts. Just met up with another YouTuber here, which is so dope. I will link his actual channel in the description below. But super cool dude, got a Supra, definitely gonna do some content with him. I mean, everyone here is super chill. I mean, we're in beautiful Palmer Lake, which I love down here. It's not that far from my house. Got guys out here that are ice fishing on Palmer Lake. Got the mountain background. We're on the second leg of the actual, you know, pseudo rally. We're going to go down to Monument, drive up to 25, cross over 25, and take the back way back up into Denver. So yeah, we're just trying to get going here on this slick road. Car cruise kind of wrapped up. Everyone went home. It is all good because it is about to snow, which is weird. Sunshine early in the morning, or early in the day, and then snow at the end of the day. There is snow on the horizon, and then there it is. Anyway, I am about to go home. As always, like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. I'll holler at you in the next video. Peace. I know I said that the video was over, but I mean, you kind of have to end the video on a 488 kind of ending, which, yeah, now the video's over. Okay, I know I keep saying that the video's over, but god dog, and I keep running. That's a F12 Barreletta and a GT3. Just okay. Okay, now it's over.